Hello there, this is Book 5, Lesson 62, where we're going to go over the Bagpipe song on page 11. And so before we start, I would like to just do a little bit of geography here, a little bit of piano geography. You can see where my middle C is. Ah, that's funny. Here's my middle C, or also here where that sticker is, right? In the frog. That's my middle C. That's where it's all happening. Now, we are going to quick look at this picture. Okay, so we have the treble clef, and here we have treble G. If you remember, your middle C is in that one ledger line right here. That would be middle C. So the first G above middle C is right there. My piano was not on. That's my treble G. That is right here. And when we're going to go an octave higher, that's the note above the staff. Note that that is a space note, and treble G is a line note. That will be our high G, which is right over here. High G, treble G, middle C, middle C. Let's go down. The first G is right here, and that will be in the bass clef, and we call that bass G. And that one is right here. You see, from middle C, we're going 1, 2, 3 steps down. So that we middle C, 1, B, A, and G. Okay, B would be above that staff. A is the line note, and then bass G is that space note that's right here. That is your bass G. And if you go one more octave lower, that's your low G, and that would be right here, low G. And then the other one down here is also low G. So, how do we can remember that too? Maybe you can think about it this way. Here's your line note on the second space, and then the octave above that G is a line note. This is a space note all the way up there above the staff, and then when you flop it, go to the bass, that one is a space note. It is in the fourth space. It's not above the staff, so it's one down from here. And then the low G is a line note. If you compare it to that G, it's actually one line lower. So I don't know if that helps. It could be kind of a thing to think about how this looks and then how that looks. This one is one step higher, right? Because you're going here, we have it lower. A second line above the staff. And here you flop it. We go one space down, which is bass G. And then the octave lower, because you're starting it lower, it's going to be also on that first line, not on that second. So there's some kind of a similarity here, sort of. That helps finding those landmark notes. Yeah, so maybe draw it down and kind of think about that a little bit. Great, let's move on to the song. So that was kind of the introduction, because we have to kind of find out where we're playing this song on the piano. Because if you see it now, let's look at just the bass. Okay, well, we just looked at that G. That is your low G. Remember we talked about that just now? That is that G, and that's going to be our Do. And then, of course, we know that this is an open fifth, because Do, and then Mi is the line in between, which we don't play, and So we're playing an open fifth, which is G and D, right here. Do, So. And that is your drone for the bagpipe. And do we do anything else in the left hand? No. Wow, that is so easy. We're accenting that. It is a half note, 2 beats. that is going to be so easy. Okay, so now we're looking at the right hand, right? Okay, so we're looking here. What note is that? Well, we know where do is. G do is here. So right away we can find it, right? It's the fifth above. So this is do, mi, and so. Do, so. So here, it is our high D, because this is your treble D. All right, so it's an octave higher. That's our first start, okay? So, and then we're going to just simply read the notes. So, one down, fa, mi, do, right? And you can also think about step, step, skip, right? So it goes from so down to fa, down to mi, and then skipping the re, because we're going to go right to do. Do, and then we're going to go step to the re, mi, fa, mi, do, right? Be kind of aware of that. We've circled the skips here in class. And then we also put a legato here. So maybe not lift up your hand when you go back to from do to so. Keep that nice and connected. So it will be like this. So, fa, mi, do, re, mi, fa, mi, do. And I'm going to legato. So, fa, mi, do. What comes next? Re, re, do. And then, great, you're going to repeat that. Play the whole thing again. And then we'll go to the second, and it's forte piano. So it's a between, it's like medium volume, okay? And then so the second part is, starts on do, do, sing with me, re, mi, do is a skip, right? Now we're gonna go to fa. Make sure that you play legato. So from do to fa. So we're right here. Fa, re, that's fourth finger and second. Re, mi, do, re, mi, fa, mi, do, re, do. Or you sing it in rhythm. Do, 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 de, do, 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 do. Okay, that's your bagpipe. I'll play it for you. Here we go. All right. Can you see it? Do, do, de, do, 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 do. Repeat. Second line. Do, re, mi, do, fa, re, mi, do, re, mi, fa, mi, do, re, do. Repeat. And that is your bagpipe. Have fun with that.